Finally, the snow is gone and we have a sunny day today. In fact, it reads up to 19 degrees Celsius, and I even filed a leave just to enjoy this recipe, just to cook this recipe and share it to my Manang Grace. Manang, name was this
Wow, yeah. Saluyot kan Rabong sa.
Yeah, you've heard it. It's Saluyot at Labong. You're watching Channel Juan Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romelo at the garden. Saluyot kan Rabong nga dinengdeng with gata. And because it's snow time, or because it's winter time, if you've seen last week, the entire garden was covered in snow. There's no reason not to be able to prepare this dinengdeng, because we are preparing them, or because we are preparing it from canned labong. Look at that, canned labong, and frozen saluyot. Frozen saluyot. It's a very easy recipe. The ingredients are those two: bamboo shoots, coconut milk, shoot or Egyptian spinach, and very small amount of water. And what's dinengdeng without bagoong, which I don't have here? Manang Grace? Yeah? Ada ti bagoong mo? Ada. Mo tuwing arot data. Thank God, Manang Grace has bagoong.
Ito yung bagoong.
Oh, there. This is my Manang Grace. She's here.
Hi!
Yeah.
Hello!
From my Pangasinan, mabuhay.
Nagkapun Pangasinan.
Mabuhay ang mga Amaikin. Now, let's resume cooking. Let's just have to turn this on, boil it, and we add the bagoong. Yeah, how simple this can be. And well, we might as well add the sahog now, or sagpaw kung naming Ilocano. Okay. It begins to boil now, so we can add my bagoong from Pangasinan. For the quantity, just approximate it, but I have recommended quantities in the description box. Yeah, it's still good. Look at the level. I'll be adding just 1/2 of this. You know, this is very precious. This is the only bagoong sauce that we have for the entire summer. So we'll be easy on it. Perhaps 2 more cooking. Ikaw ibo sa manang. Bumusog ka man eh. It's now boiling, so we can add the oh no, which first? This is frozen, so we'll add this first. If you're using fresh bamboo shoots, add the bamboo shoots first, which you usually boil first, so it doesn't matter when to add it, because anyway it's been boiled. Not that too much. The scissors are inside the shed.
Nagbanglaw. Naangot ko diba, jay karuban.
Naangot ti karuba daw. As always, since we're working here with a frozen product, we add it as frozen. Don't thaw it. Good. I might as well remove this first. Yeah. It's on the watery side. I'm yet to add the coconut milk, so we'll make sure the brine is removed. If you enjoy growing and cooking videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Garden uploads every Wednesday and kitchen uploads Fridays. We add the bamboo shoot and just boil it. Almost done. Good. Yeah, sayang ano.
Pigaon nga nalay.
We leave it open to promote evaporation para mabawasan ang sauce, masabaw kasi. Yeah. Do we have gas, Manang? Ah, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, the Saluyot, or the Egyptian Spinach, has disintegrated. I'm adding the coconut milk now. This will be watery. Ideally not, but we have no choice. Anyway, this sauce or this soup would be delicious. In around 3 to 5 minutes, this will be cooked, and we add back the fish or sahog. I also return the sahog or the fish flavoring so that it also absorbs the cream. Nag-uukan man na, mabalinan. Nag-uukan, dati din dato yan. Possibly one of the quickest recipes. It's cooked in less than 12 minutes, I'm sure. So, we're ready for lunch. Manang, dato'y tibalon mo.
Well, thank you. Marigatagi, kasara.
Manang mananta. So, no excuse from cooking labong with saluyot anywhere, anytime. Even in the middle of winter, we can do it. Gawa na, your Kuya Nagra here, Romulo, with Manang Grace. On behalf of Manang Grace, thank you for joining me here today at the garden. I'd like to leave you for now with the scenes as we enjoy the weather, the sun, nature, and outdoors. Join us again next time here as we grow, cook, and share here at the garden or at the kitchen at the little apartment. Until next time, Dios te guarde.